For our midterm assignment, we observed the Louisiana Slave Database. We observed 5 different variables of our choice. Mine were language, sex, race, document type, and origin. These records were converted into a useful tool by Gwendolyn Midlow Hall. The database consists of more than 107,000 records documenting enslaved people in the Louisiana area from 1719 to 1820. They were found in parish courthouses, notarial archives, and other libraries in New Orleans. The database and its supporting documents were originally published in the Databases for the Study of Afro-Louisiana History and Genealogy. It was a compact disc publication that also included census data and spreadsheets. The final design, manufacturing, and packaging was overseen by Dr. Joel Williams. There were many people involved in this project, allowing it to be greatly improved since the original databases were created. After observing our 5 variables, we created charts to display what we found. In Figure 1, it is a pie chart that displays the 3 languages records were written in. Figure 2 displays a comparison of male slaves to female slaves, as well as shows how many were unidentifiable. As a result of what I have read, the 3 languages mentioned in Chart 1 are French, Spanish, and English. I initially thought that language would refer to the language the slaves spoke, but I read they actually spoke Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa mixed with English. Some words that emerge from this are voodoo and gumbo, which is ironic because both words are vastly used in Louisiana. In Chart 2, there are only 2 valid genders, one male and the other female. There are more females, and I feel this is because they did more housework, such as cooking, cleaning, and caring for the slave master's children. Males were still greatly represented, however, and I feel this is because they performed better manual labor. Their numbers were probably less than females, though, because they are killed more often for disobedience. I have also included a picture of a third chart which displays the different races of the slaves: Griff, Indian, Black, Mulatto, and Quadroon. Griff is a person who has at least one full-blooded black parent, and the other parent is mixed. A mulatto is a person who has one black parent and one white parent, and a quadroon is a person who has at least 1/4 European blood in them. The rest are unidentifiable, probably because they were stolen from their land and no one remembers where from exactly. I have 2 last charts that are not displayed. One shows the different document types kept of slaves, such as their marriage contracts, wills, and slave testimonies. The last chart shows the different origins or birthplaces of the slaves, such as Africa, India, or the Creole. All in all, I would have never known any of this information if historian Gwendolyn Hall had not found these records and created a unique tool that makes us aware of our ancestors.